Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your issue. Issue is that your Bluetooth is not working in your laptop, maybe in your PC, on Windows 10 and 11. So how you can fix that? So just follow all the steps which I'm going to tell that in this video to fix that issue. So the first step is that you just turn on your Bluetooth on and off. So just go to the settings and just see the option of Bluetooth. Just click on that and see the option of an add a Bluetooth device or something. Just go to the panel and open settings and just show it and see the toggle of a Bluetooth. Just turn it off and again on it. After on it, check that it's working. So I see that it's trying to connect with my headphones. So I think it's working. So in your case, if it's not working, then you just have to just follow the second steps. So the second step is that you restart your Bluetooth services. So if you don't know where you have to go, so just go to the search bar and just search window plus R and just simply search services.msc. So just copy that, which are also available in the description for you. So just search it and okay, and just go to the data interface and you just have to just find a Bluetooth sport services. Just right click and just stop it. After that, you just have to just another thing is Bluetooth sport services. So just find it, Bluetooth sport services. So just like that, just right click and just stop it also. So after doing that, just go back. After stopping it, you just have to just go to again and just right click and see the option of an automatic. So if you don't find an automatic option, don't worry, you just have to just stop it right now. So after that, just go back and scroll up and follow the step 3 is check your airplane mode. If it's checking that if you are turning on the airplane mode by mistake or not. So just see the go to the settings again and just search an airplane mode and see that my airplane mode is now currently right now off. So make sure that it's off during the Bluetooth. So the other thing is just follow the fourth step, the run Bluetooth troubleshooters. So let's go to the settings again. Go to the settings. I'm gonna go to the home. Go to the network. Go to the Bluetooth. And just scroll up and just go to the troubleshooting problems. Go to the settings. Again home to section. Go to the systems and just find a troubleshoot. So just wait. If you don't find, don't worry. Just simply just search our troubleshoot and see that I'm gonna find it and just run it from here. See that run troubleshooter automatically then notified me. So just have to just toggle that and saying that share your diagnosis. So to get additional troubleshoot recommendations. So it's saying that no recommended troubleshoot right now. So it's saying that your laptop is not getting any issue right now. So you just have to just go to the additional troubleshooters and just going to the find and fix other problems. Just click on Bluetooth and run the troubleshooter. They're going to try to detect the problem. If the problem having, then they try to correct it. If it's not, then they leave it. So they think that they're not having any problem in your Bluetooth. So the fifth step is that you just repair your Bluetooth device. So make sure that you just have a Bluetooth device is working properly. So just go to the settings. So just like that, my headphone is as a Bluetooth device. So make sure that your Bluetooth device is working. So you just have to just go to the settings again and just remove your Bluetooth device. So just go to the settings. Go to Bluetooth and see that my device is showing that. So just have to just right click and just remove the device from here. After removing the device, you just have to just repair again. After repairing it, if your problem gonna solve, that's good. If not, just have to just update the drivers of your Bluetooth drivers. So if you don't know where you can find that, so just simply just right click on the window and just go to the device manager and see the Bluetooth icon. Just right click, just click left click and just update the drivers from here. Just right click and just update the drivers, and also right click and update the drivers. After updating every drivers, just cross it and to check that your power management is good. After that, if your power management is not good, then you have to go to the gain device management section and just going to the Bluetooth adapter. Going to the Bluetooth and you have to just go to the device manager and the Bluetooth adapter. So just go to the Bluetooth. I'm gonna step by step showing you. Just going to the properties. They're not showing anything, so I'm gonna click on driver. It's not showing again, so I'm gonna go to the Bluetooth adapter. So okay. After this scanning your hardware, they try to check that. So after that, just have to follow the 8 step. The 8 step is that you have Windows update, so that option is not showing in my laptop. So if you have any option, so just have to just doing that. My laptop having the issue of the scan for hardware changes, so that's why my laptop is not showing that option. So the step 8 is Windows update. So just go to the systems Windows update and check that you having Windows update updating pending or not. So just go to the settings, Windows update, check for update. So if you having an update, so see that your device is basic important security and security fixes. So you have just have to check for updates. So if saying that you having any update, you just have to just update it. After updating, your problem gonna solve. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more upcoming tech related videos.